Just imagine it. Imagine it in your little doggy mind. Come on. You can do it. Come on.
Can he jump on the couch at home?
Yes. He did it here yesterday.
Because he doesn't want to be near. Oh, there you go. Ella, don't attack.
Boy.
Hi, Gwyneth.
I told you could do it. You just have low confidence, low self-esteem. Rufus has low self-esteem.
Easy, baby here.
She wore her hoodie at the beach. Like this.
She didn't leave her hat on.
She looked like a little pink.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, you look so sweet. Say hi for Grandma and Grandpa so I can put this. Say hi. 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 Wave.
She's like, I'm not a performing monkey, guys. There we go.
There we go.
She's like, eh.
Me, little wave.
It's her signature.
Too tired.
She just woke up.
Too tired.
She slept all the way back and most of the way there. You did. Hey, sweetness. Are you going to slip around on your knees again today like you did last time? Their floor's a lot slipperier than ours. She was just sliding her little knees all over.
You see the doggy? Go get the doggy. Go get it. Just ignore me. I'm furniture.
She said, I like to play with furniture.
It's like such a uncomfortable pose right there.
Ella says, come.
Baby there, she's crazy stretchy.
Hi.
She can pick her nose with her toes if she wants to.
What are you doing? Are you going to do the
Both of them
split?
at the same time.
Oh no.
She picks both her nostrils at one time?
No, she
what?
could. Like, she can have, she has both feet all the way up, like against her chest.
There she goes. There she goes.
Are you going to get up here?
Oh, he didn't mean you, Ella.
Get Ella. Are your knees going to slide out from under you?
You need knee pads with traction.
They make them.
They do?
If you can imagine it for a baby, they probably made it. I've discovered. She's like, I gotta get a little closer to the couch.
Oh, that's so cute.
Bed.
She's looking at Ella. She wants to say hi. Oh, hi. Careful, Ella.
Father. Sure.
Oh.
licking. Are you gonna try and stand up for it, Gwyneth? Are your little knees gonna slip out from underneath?
Oh. Oh.
Go get Ella. Go get her. Go get her.
Yeah, that's Ella.
Go get the dog. Get the doggy. Go get her. She wants to see you.
Yeah. The pup. Yeah. Puppy.
The puppy wants to see you. Go say hi.
Ella, where are you going?
She likes to sit behind people like she was doing that.
Yeah. So much of me.
What are you doing, you nerd?
What are you doing, Ella? Come down here. Wow!
Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay.
Calm down.
Calm
Put
down.
some holly on that at Christmas time.
I know.
Christmas sweater.
Yeah, that's true.
Put some holly.
She reminds me of, like, I don't know, something like she should be on Star Wars, like a cute little Star Wars Ewok or something. I don't know, not the way she looks, but...
No.
Because of her hood.
Yeah. Ella? Ella?
No.
You gotta be careful with the baby.
Yeah.
Careful. Nice and careful.
This is
Yeah.
the dog park.
Not the dog park.
Yeah.
How old is Ella now?
Can't get away with that
4.5
stupid sweater.
months.
What? That's it?
She was born April 19.
Not too late. She's younger than Joanna.
This is like a week.
Oh no, my battery's going dead. Woo! Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, Ella, that's not a toy. Say bye-bye, Gwyneth. Gwyneth. Bye-bye.
You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
She waits.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to the camera. She's like, but I'm not going anywhere.